Good morning, my dear girls. Here we go with week number 2. And today's class is about vocabulary that you already could have met in a story about the gasping garbage. Okay, so let's begin with the first word. Okay, the first word is analysis. Analysis is a word that sounds more or less the same in Spanish and in English. It's when you read information and then you present it maybe with a graphic or with numbers. That's the analysis. You analyze it. You read, you interpretate. Beaker. Beaker are containers. They can be made out of glass or out of plastic, and are used usually in laboratories by the scientists. Hollow. Here I have a picture of tubes. I decided to put this picture because it represents the meaning. Hollow means empty, something that doesn't have the inside, like these tubes. They're hollow. And sometimes you can hear, if you scream in them, you can hear like an echo. Hollow. The next word is identify. Identify can be translated, not translated, like used with another word, label, or to write a name for something. Identify. We can identify mistakes, we can identify nouns, pronouns in the sentences, or we can identify a person with a name. Lecture. Well, another word for it can be a class or lesson. Lecture. Microscope. Another word that is used by scientists, like another tool that is used by scientists, and it's a microscope. The girl is using it. It's over here. Here's a microscope that makes the objects look bigger and we can study them. Okay. The next word is precise. Precise means something that is very specific, something that you measure, and then you're very sharp and careful with it. Precise. And the last word is relentless. Person who does not stop or doesn't take a no for an answer, and it's sometimes we can describe this person as stubborn. Person who always goes for what he or she wants. In this case, it's a dog who is relentlessly or relentless and keeps searching for maybe a rabbit or a mouse. Okay, and the last slide is I would like to explain you the activity that you'll need to do. You can watch this video as many times as you need to understand the meaning of the words. And the same words you will work with on page 42. You will do only exercises from 1 to 10, including the puzzle. You will not do the last part where it says to write a paragraph on a separate piece of paper. You will just use the vocabulary words. Okay, girls, that's it for today. I see you tomorrow. And of course, don't forget to take a picture of page 42 and send it to me by Algebraics. Take care, girls. Miss you a lot. Have an excellent beginning of the week.